hotel this morning for cancel, but postpone and them said can't. So them say no, Mr. Say can them go to postpone from a day before or something.
Eddie.
How I do now? Give me the zoom.
Tier 1 place. Tier 1 place now.
Alright, so you just making get the chance to play.
TVJ, one video something to you. Yeah, go there.
Nana.
Hold on, hold on. TVJ now, humbling.
Man, working.
You take a seat, respect her. Yes, she's fine. The pussy there. You see them, man?
No. Yeah, no, that one. We are the one that easy don't try to get mine. I want to stop going and you have a thing,
man. Don't move the blue rope yet. Don't move the rope.
Visibility down to 0. Yeah, man, toll road. Linstead side. Can't see nothing.
Water is getting higher.
So this is the water coming from Shooter's Hill, and this is not a river in dry times, but this is what it is in rain. So there's a JUTC bus coming now, just to give you a judgment of where the water is at. Look at the front of the bus. Alright, so people, this is out by 7 miles at Harbour View. There is currently a traffic standstill. Given the amount of water that is on the road, the traffic has backed up. Go right back. I am over by St. Benedict's. I'm trying to show you behind. So that is where the traffic is going. So there's a 3-lane traffic going one way, or a traffic gridlock. Water is at the bonnets of some of these vehicles. Trust me, the water ain't pretty. So you have persons trying to get to St. Thomas, and you have persons trying to get through to Kingston, and trust me, this is water that is just has not been seen. Even the recent floods, this is by far surpassed that. So peeps, stay dry, stay safe. So the land has finally given way and it's getting worse. That hill, this is by 7 miles going towards 8 miles in Bull Bay. And trust me, the hill has given way. And this is now the road and everything is going into the sea.
Why, I don't know you come out, you know, but look around the Benedict, you see around there, the lucky thing of the bus, you know. Why, a big sea around there. Prefer to stay in, back foot, I said stay, all over the plaza, full, everywhere. I see around there. Sir.
No one petrol like
So I have a view mash up. May I have your number?